Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 264 which talks about the revision of orders by the Commissioner of Income Tax in cases where some right of the assessee has not been given to the assessee or the assessee has not claimed some deduction in his return of income or the assessment proceedings, or section 264 is an alternative to the filing of the appeals to the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. In the present case, which is Tata Elsa JV versus Union of India and others, which has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 302, and it has been decided by Telangana High Court, and the date of the judgment is 12th June 2023. In the present case, the assessee was eligible for deduction under section 80IA, but when the assessee filed his income tax return for the assessment year 13-14, he didn't claim this deduction of section 80IA in his return of income. More importantly, when the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessee also didn't claim this deduction at the time of assessment proceedings also. This mistake was done by the assessee for the assessment year 15-16 also. When assessee realized this mistake, the assessee filed condonation of 52 days and filed his revision application with condonation of 52 days with the Commissioner of Income Tax. When this application was before the Commissioner of Income Tax under section 264 for consideration, the CIT allowed the condonation of 52 days, but CIT opined that since the assessee chose not to claim the deduction under section 80IA at the time of filing the return of income and at the time of assessment proceedings, so the assessee is not entitled to deduction under section 80IA, and he declined to interfere with the order of the assessment under section 143 subsection 3. So the assessee filed the writ petition before the Telangana High Court. When this matter was being heard by the court was of the opinion that there was no limitation on the exercise of powers under section 264 by the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. The court said that under section 264, the Commissioner of Income Tax on his own motion or an application by the assessee call for the assessment records and can pass any order except the order which is prejudicial to the assessee. So the court was of the opinion that in case the assessee has not claimed any deduction or any claim in his return, the assessee is very much entitled in section 264 and the Commissioner of Income Tax has the power to do so. The court also said that the powers under section 264 is not confined to the legality or validity of an order passed by the assessing officer or a claim made or disallowed or a claim not put forth by the assessee. The conclusion is that if the assessee does some mistake in not claiming any claim or deduction, and if the assessee after some time realizes that this claim was due to the assessee, then he can go to the Commissioner of Income Tax under section 264 and can make his case before him. It was the opinion of the court that under section 264 there are wide powers with the Commissioner of Income Tax. Friends, this case is very important because nowadays the period of filing the revised return has been reduced drastically. So when the assessee realizes that he has not claimed some refund or he has not claimed any claim or he has not claimed any TDS, then it is very difficult for him because the period of revised return is over. Section 154 applications are not entertained by the department, and sometimes it happens that when the assessee go for section 154 applications, they are rejected on the ground that the mistake is not apparent for record. So in all those cases, this case can help the assessees in filing their claim under section 264. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Tata Adelsa JV versus Union of India and others, and this case has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 302. The matter has been decided by Telangana High Court and the date of the judgment is 12th June 2023. Thank you, friends.